Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State. Yo, 1 2 1 2, it's your man Kirk State. You know what I'm saying? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to hook up your Pioneer controller to your turntables and Serato. It's real simple, no big deal, and we're gonna do it. It's real simple. I'm here to teach you. That's what I'm here for, because I get this question a lot on how to hook it up. All right, let's go. Here we go. So first thing first, the hookup. Okay. Get your USB together, got your USB hooked in to your controller. Make sure, you know, your controller reads it and all of that. All right. I usually have my USBs labeled since I have more than one USB device in here. Got your turntables. Okay, check. Got your control vinyl, check. All right, you got your needles, check. And then you need your outputs from your turntables, okay? Which is the phono, all right? So you got the phono here, okay? And then also you got your ground wires, okay? So just to make it real simple, I'm gonna lift this up a little bit without destroying the whole setup. So I have mine right there in channel 1, okay? Where it says phono line, all right? So we don't need to change anything or touch anything other than make sure that's hooked up and you got a good, very good ground connection, because if not, some cases is a hum, some cases is low, or just might not work at all. Now, as far as the front goes, okay, I still have it on PC, all right? Because the reasons on PC is because we're using control vinyl. Now, if we were using regular vinyl, which it will work, you know what I'm saying? I could take a record, I could take any of these records, put it up here, but I would have to switch it to phono in order to hear that record, okay? All right, so all that stays the same. All right, PC, you got it hooked up to the phone, got your ground on, turntables on, all of that. Now, in order to hear the control vinyl, you're gonna have to make sure that the Serato is in relative mode or ABS mode absolute, okay? And that way you'll be able to hear the control vinyl. So right now I have a song loaded in, as you can see. Press play. All right. And right now you go right here. I have it on relative mode and you see it playing, okay? Real simple. I can scratch with it or whatever. I have it muted because I don't want to get the video demonetized, right? See? All right. 1 2 1 2. All right. And then also, so if I want to stop that, and maybe I just want to go back to the controller. All right. Real simple. Come back over here. Hit the INT mode. All right. Press play. All right. And we're back here on the INT mode, which is the controller. So just keep in mind, INT controller, REL ABS is the turntable. All right. Real simple, no big problems. Switch it back and forth. All right. Also, like I said, you can play any vinyl that you like. Put the vinyl on, it'll come through, as long as you have the controller set to phono. All right. And that's it, man. I told you it was real simple. Anybody can do it. I get this question all the time on the Serato Facebook group. It's real simple, man. Just hook it up, keep it going. And like I said, man, Serato is a blessing in any control vinyl system, tractor, whatever. It's a blessing to me because I came up in the days where I had tons and tons of crates and we had to take them up flights of stairs and all of that. You know what I'm saying? It's real, it was real hard on you, you know, just to make a couple of dollars for a party. And you got to be there hour and a half before it's set up to bring the records in. You got to bring 2 or 3 homeboys, you know, all of that. You know what I'm saying? So, and stay an hour or 2 after just to pack it all up. These days, I can just bring a controller, my laptop. If the sound system already there, no big deal. I can fit all of this in the car. Or if I got a minivan, I could put my speakers in there and be ready to go. All right. Usually I don't take the turntables out to a party, or a gig. But if you want to do that, this is the way to do it. Okay. All right. Peace. This your man, Kirk State, man. Take it easy.